All right, boys and girls, happy Tuesday. Welcome back. Day 2 of Chapter 6, Lesson 4, talking about the different ways that Earth's surface can change. Yesterday, we talked about the tectonic plates and how they move and can cause natural disasters. And we also talked a little bit about volcanoes. Today, we're going to talk about earthquakes. If my computer will work to go to earthquakes. There we go. All right, earthquakes occur along a fault line, which is just a crack or a break in the Earth's crust. Rocks can get stuck in these fault lines, and when the plates at the fault line suddenly move, an earthquake can occur. The sudden movement in the crust is called an earthquake, and the place underground where the earthquake begins is the focus right here, the hypocenter. And then the point on Earth's surface directly above that hypocenter, the focus, is called the epicenter. So here's that fault line. And then when those plates move on either side, that's what causes the earthquake. And that exact point where it takes place, that's the focus. And then right above it is the epicenter. Most earthquakes are really small, and sometimes we don't even know they're happening, but some are so strong that they can damage buildings, roads, and bridges. And the damage is often greatest near the epicenter, which makes sense, right? Because that's where it's right above the focus of where that earthquake started on the fault line. So it makes sense that the epicenter is where the most damage occurs. These natural disasters cannot be prevented. We can't prevent earthquakes from happening, but scientists can send out alerts when they can predict when it's happening. Scientists have these devices all over the place that always are monitoring the fault lines and monitoring even the smallest tiny bit of earthquake. So they can help, then that helps us predict when a big one might happen. And this is a picture of a road that was destroyed by an earthquake. So as you can see, it can cause some pretty serious damage. So it's very lucky that no cars were driving on it at the time that earthquake happened. Alrighty, boys and girls, that is it for today. You have a break from science tomorrow, but I will be right back here on Thursday, like always, to wrap this lesson up with you on day 3. Have a great afternoon.